In summation, we have begun fulfilling European orders at a new European lab. Right? We are also keeping the one in Alaska, right? So we have both. We have found a new niche audience for the U-Ray. Our new upcoming product is an AI-enhanced home security system. And we are selling Lemonade as one of many pistons we have firing to raise funds for the next product. Hey all, I have great news to report about Wolven Industries. I have established a second laboratory location in Europe where I am as I film this. And doing so means that we can continue fulfilling European orders, not just simply the American. Having two addresses rather than one is a critical milestone affecting two significant factors. One, the pricing of shipping, which will now be far less expensive. And two, how long it takes for any given order to arrive at your doorstep. We also have two manufacturing partners for the mass production of our electronic boards, one in America and one in Germany. So with all that squared away, the U-Ray is just a product that we will continue to sell virtually forever as we hone in on the audiences that would appreciate it. One of the core problems that threatened to put Wolven Industries out of business was how I determined it to be against our company values to play along with the COVID-19 scare tactics that you might still see in the mainstream media, depending on where you are. We are not on board with that agenda. Yes, the COVID-19 crisis indeed catalyzed Wolven Industries into existence, with the U-Ray being our technological response to help people fight the virus while preventing infection without injecting themselves with experimental vaccines. However, this was all executed with the noblest of intentions. At the start of the COVID crisis, we only knew that our civilization was under threat by a pandemic. That's it. That's all. We had no hand in anything else. Our intent with the invention of the U-Ray was as pure as a child's. When we learned more about the realities of the virus, especially as the effects of the scare throughout the population wore off, I didn't think it ethical to attempt publishing marketing content that would keep people in the state of fear necessary for us to make a lot of sales. I'm not going to sell out my morals to just make a lot of money. I am an engineering physicist because I am an entrepreneurial engineering physicist because I genuinely love my civilization first. If I so happen to make money with my inventions, that would merely be a secondary perk. So we invested a ton of money into a highly advanced product to respond to a questionable market's demand while staying true to our morals while trying to stay in business. The product is fine. The existential problem would merely be in finding a different market niche besides the COVID one that could and would genuinely use the U-Ray. Lo and behold, while traveling to Europe from Alaska, I found a genuine use for our innovative product. I wanted to make sure that my hotel pillows and sheets, as well as my plane and train seats and counters, were genuinely clean. Those interested in traveling turned out to be an excellent primary target niche. If you read a Facebook post I published a little while back, you'll learn about a genuine break-in attempt in my Alaskan home. For years, I've made it a side project to develop my own Iron Man-like version of Jarvis, a private AI assistant that we keep in our Slack channel. I named him Nova and would work on him whenever I felt like making spare time over the past 4 or 5 years. Nova alerted me to someone trying to break into my at-home lab through the back door through a sound system I have set up throughout my house. Nova can alert me from about anything from any room, as well as instantaneously alert authorities via our home Wi-Fi connection. When I saw how Nova genuinely empowered me to protect my wife and children from a break-in before it even happened, I knew I had to turn some segmentation of him into a product that I could share with you watching this video. However, to begin production for him, I need to raise more funds. Thinking outside the box, I decided to launch a small side business that my family runs while I've returned to focus on science and engineering. If you would like to help us raise funds for our upcoming AI-enhanced home security product, I would be honored if you would visit nortonsgourmet.com to purchase my family's signature lemonade. Again, this is also something I invented myself. In summation, we have begun fulfilling European orders at a new European lab. Right? We are also keeping the one in Alaska, right? So we have both. We have found a new niche audience for the U-Ray. Our new upcoming product is an AI-enhanced home security system. And we are selling lemonade as one of many pistons we have firing to raise funds for the next product. If you still need to get your U-Ray, please consider doing so, as Wolven Industries is now fully operational once more. Thank you so much for your support, and I genuinely look forward to speaking with all of you, any of you, on social media if you follow me.